Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up and use decodo residential proxies for secure browsing and scraping. Step 1. Go to decodo.com and create an account. Step 2. After creating an account and signing up, go to your dashboard and create or purchase a residential proxy plan. Step 3. Once payment is complete, navigate to your proxy list tab to view your credentials. Step 4. Copy the IP address, port, username, and password. Step 5. Open your browser or scraping tool, such as Puppeteer or Python, and input the proxy settings. In a browser like Chrome, you can use a plugin like Proxy Switchy Omega to easily configure the proxy. Step 6. Choose your desired location if location targeting is supported. Step 7. Test the proxy by visiting iplocation.net to confirm that it's active. Residential proxies mask your real IP with an IP designed to a home device, giving you anonymity and reduced chance of being blocked. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.